Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Basic Tutorials 20. Today I'm here to show you how you can check the memory status of your Pocophone F1. Today I have here with me the Pocophone F1 6 by 128GB variant with me, and I'll also show you how good is the RAM management of this phone is. So when I go to the recent tabs, you can see there is no RAM, nothing is showing here, no memory status here. So first of all we need to go to settings, then go to home screen and recents, and then go to home screen, and here we have to turn on the show memory status button. Now when you go to recents, it will show you how much memory is available and how much is the phone is using of your RAM. So now let's see how good is the RAM management of the Poco F1. So let's start with Asphalt 9. This is the cool racing game. I really love this game. The best racing game in my opinion. Wait for it to open. Just a second. Finally it's open. I'm just going to leave it in the background. And now let's open Facebook. We are here. Let's go to the profile. And now let's open AliExpress and leave it to Poco F1, Xiaomi Poco F1. Search here and leave it here, and then I'll open Pixel Lab. Okay, I'll leave it here. Now I'm going to open WhatsApp and go to status and leave it in the background. Now the most famous game of Android, PUBG Mobile. And the RAM management is how good, it depends on you actually, how you use your phone. For me, I rarely use 3 apps at a time. For me, how good is the RAM management doesn't really matter to me, because I don't use 3 apps at a single time, so I don't need this feature. But for some people it does really matter, and it is a big deal for some people. So it's always is good to have an option. That's why I'm making this video. So I'm just going to leave it in the background. Now let's open Instagram. Okay, leave it on Vin Diesel. And now let's open Temple Run Oz. This is the Temple Run game I really like. This is the best Temple Run game ever made in my opinion. Just let it open. Why it's not opening? For some reason it's not opening yet. I'm gonna close it and open it again. I don't know what happened, but maybe for the screen recorder app I'm using, it's not opening, or the file has been corrupted. I don't know. So just forget about Temple Run Oz. Now let's open Play Store. Search for Kindmaster and leave it here. Now let's open PixArt. I'm going to open clutch here. I'm going to leave it here. Now let's open YouTube. Search for Basic Tutorials 20. That's my channel. Please do subscribe. So now let's check how good is the RAM management. Let's start with Asphalt 9. Oh, it just reloaded, it wasn't in the memory. Now let's open Facebook, it's still there in the memory. Now let's open AliExpress, still there. Pixel Lab, still there. WhatsApp, still there where I left it. And the PUBG is still there, so far pretty good with a bad start. Instagram, still there on Windiesel. Temple Run, never opened. Don't know what's wrong with that. Play Store, still there. PixArt, still there. Now KineMaster, I never opened it, did I? I'm sorry, I just didn't open it, I forgot to. Alright, just leave it here. And now let's go to YouTube, and it's on my channel. Please do subscribe. I'm gonna open KineMaster again. Let's see it's there or not. It's here. So that's it, guys. As you can see, the RAM management is pretty good on Pocophone F1. Just one app it couldn't open. It just reloaded. It was Asphalt 9. It totally depends on you. I would like to know about your thoughts in the comments. So please do let me know what do you think about the Pocophone RAM management after this video test. And please do subscribe to my channel and leave a like if you like the video, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything.